Congratulations, Kiwis and Exoticans and their families. Graduation Day can help children understand the concept of transitions and prepare them for next stage of education, such as moving from pre-primary to primary, or primary to junior high school, or junior high school to secondary school level of learning. By celebrating their achievements, graduation ceremonies can help instill in children a love of learning and a desire to continue pursuing their education. We celebrate graduation day for junior classes like preschool, primary, junior high school, just to mark a significant milestone in a child's early academic journey, fostering a sense of accomplishment and preparing them for future transitions.